Hello, welcome to analytical classes. Today's video is about array function. We are going to see the functions which are very useful in dealing with arrays. So let's start the video. The first function which we are going to discuss is unique function. What it does, it returns a list of unique values in a range or array. So for finding the unique items in a list, we use unique function. Let's use it. And the unique function is asking for array. So we'll give our array like this, and now it is asking true if return unique columns, false if return unique rows. Since here we are having unique rows, so we'll say unique rows. Then it is asking true if return item that appear exactly once, and false return every distinct item. So if we will take true only, then it will give us the items which are appearing only once, eliminating all the others. So let's see. The computer is coming twice, the tablet is coming twice, phone and radio are coming only once, so it has given us the only items which are appearing only once. But if we want all the distinct item, then instead of true we have to say false. So false will return every distinct item. So now it is giving a compact list of all the devices available, irrespective of the number of occurrence in the array or range. Next, coming to the filter function, it filters a range or array based on a condition. So let's see how to use it. Filter. So now filter is asking for an array and we will give it the whole array. Next is it is asking for a condition. So let's give the condition that we want the list or array where the entry is computer, where the device is computer. So now we got the two items which are having the entry as computer, since computer is occurring twice in the list. So let's check one more time. Array comma include. So let's assume we want the entries to be shown whose price are 80,000. It will give us the phone entry. So likewise you can take the conditions and do it. Next, coming to the sort and sort by function. So here we are having the device column and the price column. Let's sort our array. So this is our array. Next coming is the sort index, means what is the number. So it is, since one line array, we have to give one only, the column is only one. Then it is asking you want ascending or descending. 1 for ascending, -1 for descending, so we will say 1 ascending. Then comma sort by column, sort by row. It is not applicable over here since it is only one column, so we have taken false, and it has given us a list which is sorted in the ascending order. Now let's coming to the descending one. Let's take the array. Sort index is 1, since it is having only one column. It is same like we give the index number of the column in the VLOOKUP or lookup function. So now we want descending, so we have taken -1 and we close the parenthesis and we get a descending list. Let's check what is sort by function and how to use it. So sort by function is used to sort an array based on another array. Means you need two arrays for using sort by function. So let's take this array as the first array, and by array means on basis of which array we have to sort. We have taken this array, the price one. Now 1 for ascending and -1 for descending, so we will take ascending and closing the parenthesis will give us radio as the first, since radio's price is the least. and computer price and phone price is the highest. So it has sorted the device array on the basis of price array. Means the least price was taken first and the highest price was taken at the last. Next, coming to the sequence function. It is useful for generating a list of sequential numbers in an array. So let's take the sequence function, and it is asking you for how many rows you want. So we want 4 rows. Now it is asking for how many columns you want. I want 3 columns. Now it is asking what to start. So I'm telling him to start by 1, and steps, I want 2 steps. So what it all is doing, it will create an array of 4 rows, 3 columns. The starting value will be 1 and the values will step up in the addition of 2. So start, and we got an array of 4 rows, 3 columns. The starting value is 1 and the values are increasing by adding 2 in every number. So this is how. Next, coming to the transpose function, which converts a vertical range of cells to a horizontal range and vice versa. So let's use it. Array, and your table is converted into a horizontal table. Since it was a vertical table, it has converted into a vertical table. Let's do it once again. It has converted the vertical into horizontal table. So these were some array functions which are very useful, and hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.